Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Poshmark how to delete account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete your Poshmark account completely, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Poshmark application and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon, which is generally on the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you're inside your profile, select settings. Then inside settings, you'll find an option that says account settings. Simply tap on that. And once you're inside your account settings, all you gotta do is scroll to the bottom and look for an option that says delete account, and then simply tap on that or click delete. Then once done, follow the prompts by confirming your email and password and confirm that you permanently want to delete your account. Then it is important to note that all listings, sales history, bundles and followers will be lost. Make sure all items are sold or cancelled before deleting, otherwise buyers may be affected. If you can't find the delete option, you can always contact support at email support@postmark.com or simply select the help center and use the live chat feature. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.